Hello class, this is Math 130. Welcome everybody. All right, so today is the first day of class. Hopefully everybody made it over. Before we get into the first objective for this course, we're going to go over a few things that I need you guys to pay attention to throughout the length of the course. All right, so in Blackboard there is a section called Start Here. Okay, so if you have not completed this section, I need everybody to complete it. All right, so in the Start Here section, the first thing that you will see is the Blackboard browser checker. Okay, and this is just going to make sure that, Blackboard is working on your computer. Next, you will have the syllabus. Now, this syllabus, I need y'all to download it, read it, print it. This syllabus is basically everything you need for the class, all right? So, in the syllabus, we're going to talk about how your paper should be headed, how many points are in each category, all of those important things that you need to know for the class. All right, so make sure y'all pay attention to the syllabus. The next thing you're going to see is the student requirements, and inside of this section, it is very important that you guys take and pass the course requirement checklist. All right, so it's going to be some information for you to read in there, and then you need to take and pass the course requirement checklist. All right, when y'all take and pass that, then the actual course documents will be available. So if you're on there right now trying to get into the course documents, it's not going to open because you have not passed that test yet. All right, so once again, something that must be done, hopefully today. As soon as the class over today, I'm gonna need y'all to do that. Okay, next we have the instructor info, and it's just a little info about me, nothing, just a little something. All right, it's a little video saying, hey, and all that kind of stuff. So after that, we have the course navigation. All right, now this is a PowerPoint document that you can open up, and it's going to be slides that are basically kind of showing you where to find things in Blackboard. So I have already gotten a few messages saying that you guys are not necessarily familiar with Blackboard, which is understandable, if I can get my words today, which is completely understandable. Blackboard was different last year, and this year we have a new updated version. So the same way you guys are learning the system, the faculty is learning the system as well. All right, so if y'all have any questions about anything, feel free to ask. No question is a dumb question. Your question counts. So if you are wondering it, 9 times out of 10, somebody else might be wondering the same thing. All right, the next thing you're going to see is the course map. And the course map is exactly what it sounds like. It's basically just a map of everything we're going to talk about in the class. Next, you have the grading policies, which is basically the same thing that's in the syllabus. It's kind of like a little, well, it's actually a list in that part, but in the syllabus, it's like a little table telling how much the homeworks, quizzes, tests, and all that will be worth. After that, you have the how to succeed in an online class. And in that tab, it's basically just some information, some documents some things that you may need, things like that. So in that section, I have a few supplies that you could use, you know, a computer, a phone, a calculator, notebook, and graph paper, and writing utensils. That's the basic things that you will need for this class. I do have the book on the syllabus, but that is not mandatory for you to have. But a lot of the software, like the WebAssign and all of that, you will need to sign up with that. So I'm going to talk to you about that a little bit more. Also in the syllabus, there is information about the heading. So in this class, of course, it's online, and a lot of the work that you're going to do will be online, meaning that you will be in, you know, some software submitting answers. So I would like for, you know, every assignment that you submit online, I want a hard copy of it in the form of a picture, okay? So after this video, you will see a section on Blackboard for you to submit your Objective 1 notes and a place for you to submit your Objective 1 homework. Now, Objective 1 homework is not on Blackboard. The Objective 1 homework is on WebAssign. So what you will do, you will log into WebAssign, complete the homework on paper, put your answers into WebAssign, and take pictures of your work with this heading here. On each page, you should have a heading. That way, when you upload your pictures, I will know who you are, the date you did it, your section, which is section 4, the assignment, which will be, you know, Objective 1 homework or Objective 1 notes, whatever, and page 1. Well, page 1, of course, will be the first page, and then page 2, etc. All right. So that's how you will submit your work into Blackboard in case the pictures get out of order or anything like that. This will help keep everything organized. So after you do the work on your paper and submit your answers into WebAssign, you will, if you get anything wrong or whatever, you know, correct it, all of that. Then you will take pictures of your work, and I need the pictures to be in a JPEG format, all right? So you will take those JPEG pictures and then upload them into Blackboard as your assignment, okay? And we all have, you know, heard about people not doing their work or trying to get other people to do their work and all of those different things with online classes. So this is just to help me know that you guys are actually doing your work. It's going to help you learn and study because you are actually doing the work. And it's going to help me see if you truly understand the material, because I will be looking through your work to make sure that you're doing the steps correctly. All right. So uploading the pictures is going to help all of us out so that I can, you know, see the work and make sure that everybody is fully understanding everything. All right. So this is how you will submit your assignments. Okay. So then the next thing in the start here is the hello I am, which is the discussion. And in there, just read the discussion and comment the question that I asked you all, okay? After that, you will see what to do next. And in there, it's going to tell you, I believe, to come to the YouTube channel or something like that. Y'all will see it when y'all log in there, okay? So next, when you pass that course requirement checklist, the course content will open up. And the first module is module 1, which is week 1. We are going to be doing 2 to 3 objectives per week. All right. And when I get into the class structure, I'll kind of touch on that again. But this is basically everything that we're going to be doing in the first module. Okay. So in the introduction section for each module, you will find a weekly outline, which will basically have all of this information in it. Then in some of the modules, you will have a discussion. All right, so we do have a discussion in week 1. And you will find the instructional material tab. And inside of there, that's where you will find the class links or video links or links to any material as far as lecturing information that you guys need to know and study. Okay. Then you have your assignments. Okay. Now in these assignments, when you click on it, you'll click on view assignment and you'll be able to upload the assignment. And remember to upload as JPEG pictures. I don't want you to type up your work and submit a Word document. I want you to write everything out, all the steps, the answers, all of that. Take pictures and upload the pictures. All right. On your work, make sure that you are highlighting your answer. You can use an actual highlighter. You can circle the answer. You can put a box around the answer, whatever. But make sure that answer is highlighted. If I have to struggle to find your answer, that means that you didn't want it to be found. Okay, so make sure that you are highlighting your answers. Okay, so this is kind of the overview of module 1. All right, so let's take a look at that weekly outline. So this is what the weekly outline looks like. Like I said, it basically has that same information, the assignments for the week and all of that. So my contact information, this is the phone number that you can use to get in touch with me. And I prefer for you to text me, have your full name and your question or concern or whatever. And the same when you email me. You can email me here. In Blackboard, it has my personal email address. And if you send an email to that email address, it's no guarantee that I will see it or reply. So if you want to be guaranteed that I see it and that I reply, make sure that you send me an email on my campus email. All right. Or you can shoot me a text to that number. All right. So what everybody needs to do, if you have not done it already, you need to subscribe to the class YouTube channel. And this information is on Blackboard inside of all those different folders that I told y'all to go through and make sure that y'all read. It's also in the announcement, so make sure that y'all read everything and follow all of the directions. You need to join the Khan Academy classroom, and you need to join our class on WebAssign. Once again, those directions are in Blackboard. All right. Also, just to stress the point, I need y'all to submit the hard copies of your online assignments in Blackboard as JPEGs. All right. Just submitting the work on WebAssign is not enough. All right. I need to see your actual work. I need to see that you worked out each and every step. Now, everything is subject to change. So at the bottom where it say check announcements, messages, email daily, please do that. All right. Make sure that you guys keep an open communication with me and let me know, everything that's going on concerning your studies. If you don't communicate with me, I don't know what's going on, and it's a zero. All right. So make sure you guys are communicating with me. First, you guys need to sign in, and the faculty, we are working on getting the subscription extended throughout the semester for you all. Okay. So the quizzes and the tests, those will be on WebAssign or Blackboard. So if you guys don't know what WebAssign is, basically you log in and you open up the documents, and you have, math problems, and you have little boxes where you submit your work. And these are the things that I talked about in our first class this morning. So you need to open all of these, read all of this information. This is the student requirements. When you open this folder, this is the test that you need to take and pass so that the other things will be open for you. All you have to do is click on course requirement, click on view assessment. When you click on view assessment, it's going to open up the questions. You select your answer and hit submit. All right, whenever you open up an assignment, it also has an area for you to add content. If you click on add content, you can insert a document, which can be you can insert pictures, all of that. So that's how you will do your submissions. So let me get out of that. So you have to do this in order for the other stuff to open up for you. The course navigation, this is something that you should look at as well. This is a PowerPoint, so you can download this. By clicking the three dots, download original file. And this is the course navigation. This will kind of answer a lot of the questions that you guys have been asking me as far as where to find things. So this document is very important. Please read it. It's telling you all the same stuff that I've been telling y'all about. The start here, the course documents, all of that. So I guess if you can't find the start here, you won't be able to get to these resources. But if you see the start here, please literally start there. It has everything y'all need. Open each tab, each thing. Don't skip past this stuff. Make sure you open it and read it. This is the first discussion. Everybody needs to respond in here. And then what to do next. It said make sure you take that checklist test and subscribe to the class YouTube channel to be ready for class today. So after you pass that test, the course documents will now be open to you. And inside of the course documents is Module 1, Week 1. When you click on that, you will see Introduction to Module and Objectives. This is the weekly outline that I showed you guys in the video earlier. When you click on Discussion 1, it's the discussion for Week 1. Instructional material, I told you guys, this is where you will find the links for class. For the Objective 1 notes assignment, all you have to do for these assignments is click on the assignment, go to View Assignment, read what it says. It says, please upload JPEG pictures of your Objective 1 notes. Scroll down where you see Add Content. It says, use this space to build your submission. You can add text, images, and files. So this is where you will upload your pictures. Click on Add Content. Let's click on the paperclip, and you can open pictures from your computer. If you are doing this from your phone, you should be able to upload pictures from your phone by using the paperclip. So it kind of resembles email, how you click the paperclip to add attachments. That's what you would want to do here. After you, of course, upload the pictures, then you'll click on submit, and that'll be it. So some people had questions about WebAssign, and I'm going to go back into the Start Now section. Okay, so in the instructor info welcome video statement section, you should see a document called Hello Class, Welcome to Math 130. So when you click on that, you can download it. So this document is everything you need to know as far as subscribing and joining. So I'm going to put this document in the other module as well, but it has the link to the YouTube channel, the information of how to join Khan Academy, and the information of how to join WebAssign. So all you have to do is, this is the class key right here. So you click this link, and it's going to take you to the page where you enter the class key and you hit enroll. All right, it's probably going to ask you for your name, email, all that good stuff, and then you'll be in the class. So it's really simple. Blackboard is one of those things that you really have to get in and work it and try to learn. If you're just expecting to automatically know where everything is, that's not how Blackboard works. You got to get in and click stuff, open stuff, and just figure out, what you're trying to find. So if you see a tab or folder, open it, look inside of it. Everything that y'all need to know is out there. You just got to kind of find it. So thank you to everybody who sent me those messages with your questions. If you have any more questions, definitely reach out to me. I'm here to help you. So, don't hesitate to ask your questions, so we can, get everything figured out. So hopefully now with this video, everybody can get subscribed to the channel and enrolled into WebAssign and Khan Academy. All right, so this is what WebAssign looks like. So it says that 3 students are in here so far, and it's a whole bunch of y'all. So I need y'all to come on in this class so y'all can do the work. So this is what Blackboard looks like, and let me open in student view. So in student view, this is what it looks like. So this is the home page. It has the class, and these are the 2 assignments that's available right now. So let's click on an assignment. And this is the book. So you have the option to click on a study plan to study and all that. So we have a lot of resources. Even though this is an online class, there's ways for you to study and keep up with the class. So let's click on Objective 1, Practice Problems. So this is the practice problems. All right. So we scroll down. We have directions here. For the practice problems, you don't have to submit them on Blackboard, but you do have to submit your answers here on WebAssign. So you'll put this in your calculator, work it out, put your answer in there. And when you put something inside of here, that's when the submit answer comes up. You can practice another version as well, allowing you more practice. When you're done submitting all of your answers, you can select Submit Assignment. So this is the practice problems. I'm going to hit this arrow right here to go back. Let's look at the Objective 1 homework. Basically the same situation, but in the instructions, you see that you have to submit the answers on here and show all work on paper as you calculate your answers. Take JPEG pictures of your Objective 1 homework and upload/submit them in the appropriate section on Blackboard. All right. All right, class, before I let you go, I want to quickly show you the syllabus and the class rules. So all of this information is going to be in the Start Here section. So we have information about the course, like the objectives, which is everything that we're going to cover. We have the textbook, which you can get the textbook. It's on that WebAssign software we talked about. Make sure that you guys save $90 just in case we cannot get that free version of WebAssign for everybody. Also, another thing that was added is the GroupMe information. So that information is on that Hello Class document that has been added. So make sure that you join the class GroupMe so that you can get the announcements over there. So here is another view of that heading that I want. Please, please, please make sure you have this on each page. If not, we're going to have some problems. So please make sure you guys do that. It's information about your exams, how many points. They're going to be different things like that, a whole bunch of information. Calculator usage, a lot of things. The grades, everything. Okay, so everything that you need is in this syllabus. Now let's look at the class rules. Okay, so with the class rules, number 1, be respectful. Okay, that's to me, your classmates, everybody. Okay, be respectful. And make sure that you read all of this. I need you guys to be prepared. That means turning in your work, coming to class, logging on, viewing the videos, filling out your weekly check sheets, whatever I ask you guys to do, please be prepared. That's also turning in your assignments on time, all of that. Third, I need you guys to be open and positive. A lot of people do not have a good view of math. They come in already saying they don't like it and all this stuff. And if you don't like math, it's not going to like you either. So let's be open and positive, and come in with a mindset ready to learn math, ready to enjoy it, ready to overcome it. Okay. Number 4, no profanity. Don't email me, text me, call me, none of that with profanity. Okay. That will not be tolerated. The moment some profanity come out, the conversation is over. Okay. You shouldn't talk to me like that. You shouldn't talk to your peers like that. Let's not do that. Let's keep it clean. All right. So I need you guys to sign this saying that you read this and the syllabus and that you understand what is required. You can print it, sign it, and take a picture of it and email it to me, or you can sign it, take a picture of it, text it to me. If you have a scanner, you can scan it and email it to me. However you can sign this and get this to me, I need you guys to do that, okay? So that completes this video with kind of all of the guidelines. I didn't really want it to be this long, but it was kind of a lot to cover. With this being an online class, it is a lot that I need to kind of get you guys familiar with so we can jump in and start learning, because this is an 8-week class compared to the usual 16 weeks. So like I said, it's going to be fast paced, so I need you guys to really buckle down so we can get this done in this 8-week time frame.